how to become a vampire lord in Bitlife. So if you haven't already, one of the first things you're gonna need to do is to access the vampire extension pack. If it does appear, it should just be right here and above your activities. It says vampire mode, or you can go to the marketplace and then just choose that option. You're gonna need this in order to access the vampire events or those things related to that. And the feature is locked behind this paid content, so you're gonna have to get that first. And after purchasing it, you can start a new life and then age yourself up to 18. So in this character, I think we're 47. We're just gonna go ahead and start a new one. We won't be able to do this since we don't have the vampire thing, but we can still explain how to do so. So you can enter the vampire mode where a vampire will appear and bite you, and this transforms your character into a vampire with abilities and the blood curse. And from there, your goal is to somewhat evolve further. The other stats doesn't matter, like your health, your smarts, but of course try making them larger before this happens. But anyways, from there your goal is to evolve further, and simply becoming a vampire is only because simply this is one of the first steps towards reaching the vampire lord status. And to actually become the vampire lord, you must complete 3 specific objectives that is going to be assigned after turning into a vampire, such as draining certain types of people or converting targets into vampires. You'll be able to see that as a little task, and you can take many in-game years to finish, or converting the targets into vampires. The tasks will vary per playthrough, so it is somewhat kind of different, and it could take many in-game years to finish, but that's okay since you are a vampire and age is somewhat pretty irrelevant. You'll need to hunt actively and then use helpers like your connections and consistently complete the goals until your blood curse is removed. Once all the objectives are done, your character permanently becomes a vampire lord with the stronger powers and higher notoriety. But that is the general idea on how you can become the vampire lord after having the vampire mode. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.